Hey guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. You guys, I didn't create an intro. I am still hurt in these videos trying to create content for you guys. So sometimes in these last probably 10 videos, you don't get an intro all the time, but that's the reason why. But this video is just going to be showing you guys how I rebraided my mini twist. I only rebraided the front half of my head. My hair is so thick now, it's very difficult to stand in the shower or to sit in the shower as is. So I thought, instead of me trying to take all of my braids down and rebraid my hair all at once again, I figured I'd switch it up and try something a little different, which is taking down the front half of my head, which is just from one ear to the other ear, and then I will wash my hair, the loose hair, detangle it. And you guys, all the products that I'm using in this video are my own DIY products. The green bar is my conditioner bar. The orange bar is my shampoo bar. The black bottle, that's oil, and that's my DIY oil. So all the products that you're seeing in this video are my own products. You guys, I'm not going to talk through this whole video, but I just wanted to let you guys know what I was going to be doing with my hair. After doing this, because it's November 16th now of 2023, and I started rebraiding my hair November 6th. So my hair was up for about 2 months, and I noticed that my braids started growing together. So that's why I decided to rebraid the front of my head, and I will be following up with braiding the back of my head. I'm not going to get the front of my head wet when it's time for me to braid the back of my hair, but that's going to be a separate video because this video is already long enough. Like I said, I'm not going to talk through this whole video. I'm going to just let you guys watch me, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I do deep condition my hair. I do section my hair and blow dry it in the sections, but you guys will see that video coming up next, how I blow dry my hair and then rebraid my hair. So you guys, please just enjoy the video. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below, and then if it's a question that I can't answer within the text, I will make a whole video for you. So just let me know if you guys like watching me do my hair, or if you like me talking through the entire video explaining what I'm doing. So guys, just leave comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys. And I just realized that I was saying mini twist, but these are mini braids, you guys. I'm sorry, but I just wanted to clear that up. These are not twists, they are braids. And that little solution that I'm showing you is my detangling gel. I did make that, and hopefully that video is already posted. So it's an aloe vera gel. It was very slippery, very hydrating. Absolutely love it. My son's hair love it. Leave comments down below if you guys want me to post a video of me doing my son's hair with this. It's like a detangler, but with his hair type, I used it as his styler, and his hair absolutely love it. So I'm going to be making this formulation for his hair just as a styler and a detangler. So it's a 2-in-1 for him, but for me it was just a detangler, and it had great slip to it. So I'll make sure I leave that video down below. But if you guys want to see me do my son's hair with this product, it's a aloe vera detangler, just leave comments down below as well. Okay, you guys, I already said I was leaving, and for sure this time I'm gonna leave you guys to it and just watch the rest of the video. Thank you guys. Okay, you guys, this is the last bit of the video. You just seeing me put my DIY oil on my hair to get it prepped for blow drying it. I do braid my hair, let it air dry, and then I take the braid down and blow dry it. So I will apply the same thing, the same method to the other section of my hair that's in twist. And I'll be back in the next video to show you guys what I do for braiding and re-blow drying my hair. So thank you guys so much for watching.